Welcome to Geode Systems submission to the National Geospatial Agency's Disparate Data Challenge. Geode Systems is the developer of RAMADDA, the repository for archiving and managing diverse data. We're going to give a quick whirlwind tour of the capabilities that RAMADDA provides for managing disparate data. The first example is a simple one. The article, "The South China Sea Transformed," provided a number of images. We've taken those images and broke them apart and added them into RAMADDA as structured before and after image facility. This allows the user to readily explore that imagery. We've also added spatial metadata to that imagery to make it searchable and discoverable. This is an example of taking unstructured information, like an article, and making it structured in RAMADDA. The second example is airport imagery. A Google Earth file was provided. We've taken the liberty of breaking apart that file and making actual structured, geospatial referenced, and searchable images. So for example, here's the Denver image. It's shown on a map and then supports further drill down and exploration by the end user. The next example is hazard data. Likewise, we've taken the links on the web page provided by the Geologic Society of Alabama and made them searchable, pulled out metadata. So for example, we can find all links that have flood from the Geologic Society of Alabama's site. Humanitarian data. A reference was given to the External Humanitarian Data Exchange repository. This is a CCAN-based repository. RAMADDA, as an integration platform, can search across numerous external sources of data and content, CCAN being one of them. Here we're searching then that repository through RAMADDA's unified interface for Ebola information. And it doesn't stop there. We can also maybe search at the African Open Data Repository for Ebola. And we can search the Esri map repository provided by NGA, also for Ebola information. Again, it's a unified interface across numerous external repositories, all in RAMADDA. The next example is LiDAR data. Here's just a couple examples we put together. RAMADDA has deep support for LiDAR, ranging from satellite to airborne to terrestrial LiDAR scans. Here's an aerial scan of California. RAMADDA provides deep services for subsetting, format conversions, and image generation. The practical exercise provided a number of documents and other file formats. RAMADDA ingested these and made them readily accessible, so we can search for all CSV files with watch in them, and then drill down and look at the details of that data file. The web map services. RAMADDA can ingest external web map services and then provide a unified interface into those services. In this case, we have 8,000 web map service layers across from 250 different servers. We can then, by clicking on the map icon, actually go map that imagery interactively. Well, one more example is NITF example data. Likewise, we've ingested this data and made it available to the end user. Well, that's all the time we have. We thank you for your time, and please explore more.